All right, guys, welcome back to the Bronco build. Huge news today. We are getting the Bronco painted. Woo! So I'm going to be sending my Bronco out to Chilliwack to one of the schools out there, and they're going to be painting it. They know about all the body work that needs to be done. So I have to prep it for them by taking off the bumpers, taillights, headlights, the grill, the mirror, stuff that's just in their way, because I'm gonna trailer it out there. I am so stoked, guys. Like it still looks like it's being built, and it's just all like primer colors, right? But when you finish it with like a gloss, I'm not gonna tell you the color that I'm thinking, oh my gosh, you guys, you're gonna absolutely love this, and I'm gonna freaking go nuts. So let's get into this. Let's get tearing it apart. I've been working on this thing a lot. We got it all ready basically on my end for the paint, and I'm gonna be dropping it off tomorrow, but in a few minutes for you guys. It's freaking minty. We got the top back on. Obviously it doesn't have any windows, so I have a tarp that once I get there, I'm gonna put the tarp on the back. It's gonna be outside for a night. We lined our tailgate up perfectly, and then look at this. We got our latch, beauty, fully functioning. They're better than a bungee cord holding it up. Top's on, it's all cleaned out. I got this door to line up, guys. Man, me and my fiance actually, she came out and helped me. Now look at that, no rub. It's tight, but there's no rub. Because the last thing I'd want, guys, is to get this painted, and then they've slammed the door after they paint it, and it scuffs it, right? So I hammered all this back. We were just messed with this door for a while to get it all fitted up. This fender's back on. I'm gonna put some washers in. You can see just this back part. I'm gonna throw some washers just to kind of get it pushed out a bit more. But that's like when it's all painted and done. This line's nice. It's actually really nice, guys. And I can't wait to see this thing painted. So the next thing we're gonna do, guys, is let's get it on the trailer. Okay guys, so I have to back this up. I'm gonna drop it, tarp it, get it all ready. And I have to detach my truck, go to work, come back, grab it, and then head out for like a 45-minute drive in the freaking terrible weather at night. So let's get that done. What makes this a lot easier is if you're smart, you bring your keys the first. Down the top 40s with the chaser, your voice starts feeling like a waiter, scraping my mind against the cheese grater. Before you go through, you have to sign a waiver. That's alright, I'm aware of the danger. You wanna get away, you better get in line. Won't go another day. Alright guys, here's what I'm working with. Snow, nighttime drive out an hour with the Bronco. Haven't towed with the Chev before. Let's see how this works, guys. This is not the greatest weather, but you gotta make it happen. You know how it is out here. You wanna do it, you gotta get it done. So let's get driving. All right, guys, we are on our way. I'm about 30 minutes or 40 minutes into Abbotsford. Traffic's awful. It's pouring, but the Bronco's still there. So that's a good sign. And we're just gonna drive it all the way there because the Silverado's doing well. It's handling it just fine. The brakes, I noticed I was on a downhill slope and I started sliding, so I'm just taking it easy, going 60 to 70 on the highway here because of the conditions. So I'll see you guys when we get there. Bye-bye. Okay guys, so as you can see, the Bronco has been dropped off at the paint shop, and I've been working my butt off like every freaking day. There's something with the Bronco and just trying to make my dream a reality. I bought this thing. Everybody who saw it was like, what the hell, like this, what is this? Like, you paid this much for it? Like, everyone was like, why did you buy this? At the time, I really wanted a Bronco as my dream rig, and then now 3 years almost later, to have it getting painted is just wild to me. All the hours and time and making videos and all that stuff, like, it's just wild. But I'm really glad I documented basically everything I've done to it and how I built this whole thing to where it is now. Is just wild getting it professionally painted. So I would like to thank everybody who's helped me with this build, all of you who've watched the build, so like all my friends and stuff who've actually helped me hands-on wise, and everybody who's left positive comments. And because guys, trust me, a restoration like this, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Like, it's frustrating and there's a lot of freaking issues that come along, and I cannot wait to see this thing turn out in the color that I already know I'm gonna pick, but I'm not gonna tell you guys. We're gonna give you a reveal color in a few months when we get it back, guys. So there's gonna be probably one more Bronco video in the meantime, but other than that, we just gotta wait till we get it back and check out how freaking awesome this truck looks now. So I'd like to thank you guys all so much for watching, for supporting the channel. Make sure you guys subscribe so you can see when this thing comes off the trailer and how beautiful it truly is after it gets painted. Peace.